To our public school district supervisor, Mrs. Yurina B. Baguio, our school principal, Ma'am Gladys De Hos, our dear teacher, parents, visitors, fellow completers, good morning. It is with my utmost joy and pride that I welcome you all to our sixth moving up ceremony for the school year 2023-2024. We are happy for this first big milestone in our young life. It's amazing to see how much we've learned and grown together. And since it's the last day of our kindergarten journey, it brings me a mixed emotion of joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goals and pain for saying goodbye to all of you, especially to our supportive teacher, Ma'am Carissa, Ma'am Erasol, and Ma'am Jera, who became a second mother to all of us. To my fellow completers, don't forget the values taught to us that we need in order to face our future without fear. To our proud parents, thank you also for working hard to give us a good education and loving us all the way. Most of all, thank you God for all the blessings and guidance. Once again, welcome and congratulations to all